We are learning to use the associative rule to make a question easier. So last week we talked about how 2 times 5 is different than 5 times 2, but they both give the same answer. Let's have a look at why. So you can see here that I have 2 groups, and in each group I have 5 rectangles. That's my 2 groups of 5. And here I have 5 groups, and each group has 2 rectangles in it. That is 5 groups of 2. And altogether in each group there are 10 items. It doesn't matter which way the numbers are in the question, the answer will be the same. We can use the associative rule to make a multiplication question easier. So for example, if we had these questions, 99 times 8, 99 groups of 8, or 8 groups of 99, which one would you prefer to work out? Would you prefer to have to work out 99 groups of 8 or 8 groups of 99? 8 groups of 99 would be easier to work out than 99 groups of 8. What about these two? Which would you rather work out? 50 groups of 2 or 2 groups of 50? 50 groups of 2 is a lot of groups. 2 groups of 50 is easier to work out. And what about these questions? Which would you rather work out? 200 groups of 2 or 2 groups of 200? 200 groups of 2 would take a long time to draw all the groups of 2 until you got to 200 of them. 2 groups of 200 would be easier to work out. So a reminder of what we've learnt today in this flip. The associative rule is when it doesn't matter which order we put the numbers in, the answer will be the same. So 2 times 6 gives the same answer as 6 times 2, even though 2 times 6 means a different thing than 6 times 2. And we've also talked about how changing the order can make the question easier to work out. So 50 groups of 2, if we change that to 2 groups of 50, that's easier for us to work out the answer.